Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and I want to do something new with you guys today, something different. Now, a lot of you guys love our crazy color mixing and experiment videos. They're a lot of fun for us to do. Now, I've picked a lot of crazy colors to mix together in the past. You guys have picked a lot of crazy colors as well with the Mad Scientist series. I want to start a new series today called On the Spot. What is on the spot? That's when we go to a DYC employee with no warning, no heads up. We put them on camera, we put them on the spot, and we let them pick 2 different components to mix together for our project car today. We've got our Audi S4. It's already got a black base coat down on it right now, and it's ready for color. So the first person we're going to do this with is Jamal. Jamal is the guy who runs our pearls and powder department. So he's around all these pearls and powders all day long. That's why I think he's a good place to start with this. We're going to go over there while he's working. We're going to put him on camera without notice, and we're going to have him pick 2 different components for this car. Whatever he picks, we're going to mix them together 50-50 and then drop them on the car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm excited. Let's go. All right, we're on our way to go find Jamal right now. He's either in the area where we mix and pack the pearls, or he's got a little office as well where he works his inventory and stuff like that. I think he's in his office. Nope. 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 Where is he? There he is. Jamal. So we've got a new video series we're doing called On the Spot. Okay. Where we take a DYC employee, we put them on the spot, and we have them pick 2 components to use on our car. Okay. So we're gonna take you back to the pearl rack because you work with the pearls all day. Okay. And you're gonna pick whatever 2 pearls that you want. And we're gonna mix those 2 50-50, and we're gonna put those on the car today. So you could take your time, look through all the stuff that you work with every day. There's a lot of pearls to work with. And the 2 that you want to mix together. Anything that you want. High pressure situation. What's the first one you got?
Bluegill.
Bluegill color shift. Classic.
Wacky.
Could be wacky, it could be clean, anything you want.
Got my favorite color then.
What's your favorite color? Nebula green. I can confirm we have never mixed bluegill color shift and nebula green before. Do you have any idea what it's going to look like?
Nope.
We're going to find out. Thank you very much, sir. I'll let you know how it goes. That actually went surprisingly well. The 2 colors that he picked, bluegill color shift and nebula green pearl, should work together in an interesting way. They both share a lot of green hues. What is it going to look like at the end of the day? Well, there's only one way to find out. We're going to drop these 50-50 into some glossy dip pearl top coat, start laying pearls, cross your fingers. Let's see what happens. Well, considering we went to a DYC employee with absolutely no heads up, put them on the spot and asked them to pick 2 color components to use for today's installation video, this could have gone horribly wrong. And that's part of the fun. Literally, when we do this series, whatever they pick, we're gonna spray full scale. This one worked out great. The car looks freaking awesome. Bluegill color shift and Nebula green work together wonderfully. I cannot wait to show you guys the end result. The Jamal special came out great. Now, we have lots of colors to choose from. If you want to dip your own car, very easy. Click right up here. It'll bring you to the DYC car kits. And all you do is select the color that you want, the size of your vehicle, and everything is included in the kit, even the spray gun and the accessories if you need them. If you have any questions at all, though, email us customerservice@DipYourCar.com. Call in and speak to us or chat with us directly on the website. This is a series we will definitely continue doing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's Fonzie. I'll see you on the next one.